On number 6, before I find the LCD, I want to factor that top fraction. So it is going to be 5y, but if I factor it, what two numbers multiply together to give me positive 6, but add together to give me negative 5? And that's going to be minus 3 and minus 2. And the bottom fractions I'm not going to change. Okay, so my LCD this one has 1 y minus 3, this one has 1 y minus 3, this one doesn't have any y minus 3's. So I do need a y minus 3 in my LCD. This one has 1 y minus 2, this one doesn't have any y minus 2's, this one has 1 y minus 2. So I need 1 y minus 2 in my LCD. Okay, then I'm going to multiply by the LCD itself over 1. And I'm doing that to every fraction. And then I'm going to watch as many things will cancel out. So they all cancel out on the first one, and that leaves you with 5y. The y minus 3's cancel out here, and that leaves you with 3 times y minus 2. The y minus 2's cancel out here, and that leaves you with 2 times y minus 3. So I want to simplify this now. I'm going to distribute both of those numbers. 3y minus 6 plus 2y minus 6. And if I combine like terms, that's going to be 5y minus 12. And this will be our answer. I cannot cancel out those 5y's because this is a 5y minus 12. It's grouped together. And the only thing that will cancel out with a 5y minus 12 is another 5y minus 12. So that would be your answer.